I am a student at Anglia Ruskin University, currently doing one of my modules as a winter market.
We're holding a winter market as a part of our business exam, in addition to supporting local charities, local food banks.
It has helped me build my confidence. I'm talking to a lot more people than I normally would be. It's also a really nice way to get hands-on experience with creating the market and like the business and the product itself, going in a team that I wouldn't normally be in, communicating with that team and then delivering a finished product.
We have gained so much knowledge and theories about actually how to do business as a young entrepreneur or a business student.
To go from the first session to the full session today, to see them light up, their ideas brought to life. They work well as teams, the majority of the people that I've seen, from day one to now, how they have evolved and come together to produce something really special.